Hello students, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the alphabetical order, which is really important for your reading exams. Yes, so a couple of questions will relate to this topic, alphabetical order, and particularly those of you who've missed the lessons. You may find it easy, but perhaps those who are not quite sure yet, I'll explain what it is about. Yeah, so some of the questions you will be asked on your reading exam will be relating to alphabetical order. So we know our alphabet. Yes, I've put it all here, and I've got some exercises which I'll explain as I go through with you how to do them. Yeah, so for example, you've got the first here line that you need to put in alphabetical order: dog, you, bean, animal and lion. What we do in such a task, we look at the first letter, D, U, B, A, L. Yeah, you look at the first letter. Which is the first letter that comes first in an alphabet? It's A. Yeah, so animal will be first in alphabetical order. Then the next letter is B. There's no B, bean. There's no letter C. Yeah, so the next letter after C is D. So dog will be 3. Then it's L in alphabetical order, and then U. Right? So that's how we do it. When you've got, look at task B, when you've got, and look at the first line, you've got to put these words in alphabetical order now. To do this, you look at the first letter, which is the same, P. If that's the case, we look at the second letter, yeah, and we try to decide which letter comes first in alphabetical in alphabet. So it's P, L. L isn't. You've got L, R, A, U, E. So A comes first. So panic will come first in alphabetical order. Then, again, what's next? We've got E, because after A, the next letter in alphabet will be E. So perch will come second in the alphabetical order. Then we've got L, R, and U. So out of these three, which comes after E? We've got L. Yes, so plank will be third, and then we've got press because R comes after L and U comes as last in alphabetical order. Okay? When you've got the first, here, look at C, the first line. When you've got the first letter, which is the same, we look at the second letter, but it's also the same, E. If that's the case, we look at the third letter and do it in the same way. So you've got C, M, A, F, B. So A is first in the alphabetical order, so deadly will come first. Then, look here, det, B is after A, so det will be number 2 in alphabetical order. Then it will be C, so decide, and then it will be F, so defeat, and M, demand. Okay, so once we've got this, I want you to have a look at this question. Which word comes first in a dictionary? And you've got a list of words. So to answer this question, you only need to tell me one word that would come first in a dictionary. So we look at the first letter, B, A, P, P, A, M. A is first in a dictionary. So we've got apples, but we also have got asparagus. So when we've got the first letter the same, what we do? We look at the second letter, so P, apples, or S in asparagus. So which one is first, P or S? P comes first in a dictionary. So to answer this question, which word comes first in a dictionary? The answer is apples. Okay? The same question will about the last word. So we look at the which word comes last in a dictionary. We look at the first letter, and the last letter in an alphabet would be T. But we've got 2 words with T. So what we do? We look at the second letter. Here is O. Here is O. We've got 3, I, and here we've got O. So which letter comes last? O, right? But we've got 2 words with O. If that's the case, we look at the third letter, M or N. So N comes after M, so the last letter in a dictionary, a word in a dictionary, will be Tongola. Okay? And here you've got this question. You've got which word comes next in a dictionary after Mexico. So you've got cities here, all right? And you have to add the word, you have to decide which word comes next in a dictionary after Mexico. So imagine Mexico is here. M, right? M. Here we've got M, Madrid. Yeah? But we need to answer the question which word comes next after Mexico. So after Mexico is E. Here we've got A. So Madrid will be before Mexico because A is before E, right? So there's no other words with M. So after M, what's the next letter in an alphabet after M? O, right? So to answer this question, Oxford will come next in a dictionary after Mexico. All right, so what I also want you to do is to have a look at some exam. This is entry 2, yeah, exam question. Put the classes in alphabetical order. The first one has been done for you. So the first one is drawing. After drawing, which word will come next in a dictionary? So after D, what's the next letter in a dictionary in an alphabet? E, right? So English will be next. After E, we've got yoga or healthy eating. Healthy eating comes first, so healthy living, and then yoga. All right? And one more question I wanted to show you, which is that relates to entry 2 and entry 3 reading exams. Yes. All right. So you've got question 19. Yeah. No, not 19. Sorry. You've got question 17. In the text, which I'm going to show you in a minute, the only word on in the list not in alphabetical order is. So you've got cosmetics, electronics, and jewelry. To answer this question, we need to look at the list. Yeah? So let's look at the list. The list is here. Yeah? Here. So which word is not in alphabetical order? Clothes, cosmetics, good, food. Yeah, because after C we've got F. Then you've got jewelry. Yes, because after F we've got J. And then we've got electronics. Oh, hold on a second. Is electronics after J? No, it's not. Electronics is before F. So this word has been put wrongly. So to answer this question, the word electronics has been put, is not in alphabetical order. Okay, I hope you find this useful. Any questions, do let me know in the comments. And if you need practice, I'll prepare some more activities or videos for you. Thank you.